So welcome to the channel. Like, subscribe, yeah, comment if you think anything's good. If it's bad, comment. Take construction, constructive criticism. Sorry, blah 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 blah. Sorry. Yeah. So just doing a video. I think there'll be a few videos which will come out. I'm trying to keep consistent. I'm trying to get videos out. I'm trying to do it once a week or something in that aspect. So when this video comes out, it'll be a week or two after I've uploaded it. Really, I think the video or something like that. But yeah, I'm just off one of the services in Nuneaton. Well, not in Hinckley. Just gonna get daily wash. So yeah, going back to what I was saying. So yeah, this I've been dailying it for a while. It's a 1.5 GLX Suzuki Swift 2006 manual, nice petrol, nice car, green, fun green or something like that. So yeah, this video is just a walk around of the car. I've not cleaned it for 6 months. Jeez, it's not normal me. I will be putting this car up for sale. That's the plan. I think before this video you'll see, or after the video you'll see what I replaced it with. Yeah, I'll do a quick video of it, of how it is dirty, how bad it is, and then I'll get a video afterwards. I need to get some pictures in a bit of, because I'm putting the car for sale, obviously, duh. And then I'll do another video at one point of what's my opinion of the car, how do I find it, would I buy another one, and what issues I've had, honest issues. So but yeah, follow, subscribe, like. I think the next video will be a walk around of the car quickly, and then I'll do a video of it cleaned, obviously cleaned. I'll try to see if I get some clips of it as it's washed, but obviously depending how busy car wash is, it's really busy. But we'll see. But yeah, sound. But yeah, on to the next, and you'll see the rest of the video. Sound. So yeah, here's the car. Oh, you can see how bad it is. This hasn't been clean for 6 months. Once it's done, I just need to check the lights. Yeah, it's got structures. It's got to use daily cleaning. So you can imagine this isn't clean for a while, so it looks dirty. See how bad it is. You can see that it's supposed to be chrome. And so this is clean. See how bad it is, jeez. And yeah, usual London cleaning. You can see how bad it is. You see this bit's are dirty as well. I will get these easily cleaned. Yeah, nice too, that's what I'm saying. See, I'll probably clean this in a bit. So yeah, we'll give this a clean. Also, it is due a clean, so the new owner will see how clean it is. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think we should be able to clean these. I'm just going to keep the engine running and then go from there. So how's that finally clean? Styrofoam, still a little bit dirty. See most of that there. I'll quickly get a video of this before I get to start again until the time runs out. So yeah, that's that.